Hello, in this video we will discuss about abstract classes. So, data abstraction is the process of hiding certain detail and showing only essential information to the user. Means abstraction वो प्रोसेस है हमारा जिसमें हम यूज़र से बहुत सी चीज़ें छुपा लेते हैं और कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीज़ें ही यूज़र को दिखाते हैं. ओके, एंड abstraction can be achieved with either abstract class or interfaces. सो abstraction जो हमारी है वो हम या तो abstract class के थ्रू अचीव कर सकते हैं या फिर इंटरफेसेस के थ्रू इन सी शार्प ना. So we have abstract keyword basically used for classes and method, and abstract class is restricted class that cannot be used to create object. For access it must be inherited from another class. Means जब हम एक क्लास को एज अ abstract क्लास डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो उसका हम ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट नहीं कर पाएंगे और उसको हमें इनहेरिट ही करना पड़ेगा किसी और क्लास में. ओके, एंड abstract method, this can only be used in an abstract class and it does not have any body. The body is provided by the derived class, or we can say in an inherited form. Means हम एक क्लास बनाते हैं और उसको एज अ abstract यूज करते हैं. तो बेसिकली उसमें होता ये है कि उसमें हम मेथड्स को सिर्फ डिफाइन करेंगे, उसमें कुछ भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं करेंगे मेथड की. ओके, और जब हम इस क्लास को यूज़ करना चाहेंगे तो उसको हमें इनहेरिट करना पड़ेगा हमारी चाइल्ड क्लास में, और वहाँ पे हम उस मेथड को ओवरराइड कर पाएंगे. तो जो भी हमारी फंक्शनैलिटी होगी वो हम ड्राइव क्लास में डिफाइन करेंगे, ना कि आवर पेरेंट क्लास में जो कि हमारी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्लास होगी. ठीक है, आई विल शो यू दैट इन मोर डिटेल इन एग्जाम्पल. How to use abstract keyword. So here I have shown you like how we can use abstract keyword. So that is simply clear. We just need to use abstract keyword before class name. Okay, so yeah, next we will see in demo how we are using abstract class for actual implementation. So for example, I will create an abstract class. Okay, so let's say public, we need to use abstract keyword. Let's use this same example, abstract class animal. Okay, and there we have a method public abstract void eat. Okay, so let's take another class now. Let's public class, yeah, dog will be fine. Okay, so you can see we have a parent class animal which we decorated as abstract class. Okay, and we are inheriting that abstract class in our child class which is dog here. Okay, and here we have a method for which we did not do any implementation in animal class. The functionality we are implementing in child class, that is dog, and we are overriding that method here. Okay, so this is the use of abstract class. So like we no need to define anything in parent class or abstract class. So one more thing I want to highlight here, as I mentioned earlier, we can't create object of this abstract class. Okay, you can see its implementation is equal to dog, not animal. So if we are trying to do like this, it will give us error, cannot create an instance of abstract type or interface. Okay, so abstract keyword will not allow you to create object of animal class. Okay, so you can create object of child class only. So this method will now call this functionality. Okay, because there is nothing in parent class. So we can do more like this, public class, let's say cat. Okay, so same thing is applicable for cat also. Let's say we can create object of this cat class or dog class, but not for this animal. Okay, so yeah, same thing. Animal 2.8. So this will call this method. Okay, so basically what we saw, we created an we created a class animal and defined a method with abstract keyword there. Okay, and in child class we are inheriting that parent class and overriding that method here. Okay, and now what will happen, we are not able to create this class object directly. We need to create object of this class or else this class. Okay, so this is the concept of abstract class. So if I talk about in simple terms, so if you will see like our TV remote. Okay, so you don't know like how that TV remote is internally working. You know about like on clicking on power on off, TV will get on and off. Okay, you know like how to increase or decrease the volume of TV by button only. You don't have any idea like how it's working in background. Okay, so this is the perfect example for abstract class. So in this here we are like hiding this information from actual user. Okay, so user will create like object of this and calling this method directly. Okay, so yeah, this is the basic idea about it. So these are the basic benefits of abstract class. Like code reusability, abstract class allow you to define method that can be shared by multiple derived class, and that will like promote code reuse. Okay, and next is partial implementation. So we can provide some method implementation in the abstract class while leaving other to implement by derived class. Means abstract class में हम कुछ मेथड को डिफाइन भी कर सकते हैं. इट डज नॉट लाइक कि abstract क्लास में हमेशा ब्लैंक मेथड्स ही होंगे. तो abstract क्लास में कुछ मेथड को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं और कुछ को हम एज अ ब्लैंक छोड़ सकते हैं. और तो जो वो ब्लैंक मेथड्स होंगे उनको हम चाइल्ड क्लास में डिफाइन करेंगे. ओके, जो कंसेप्ट दूसरा है इंटरफेस का, उसमें ऐसा होता है कि हम कोई भी मेथड डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्लास के केस में हम कुछ मेथड डिफाइन भी कर सकते हैं विदाउट यूजिंग एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कीवर्ड, एंड कुछ मेथड्स को एज अ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड बना सकते हैं. ओके, कॉमन इंटरफेस. Abstract class define a common interface for all derived class, ensuring consistency in method signature and behavior. Okay, encapsulation. They help encapsulate common functionality and enforce the contract for derived class to follow. So like we have defined that common abstract method in our parent class ना, तो जब भी हम उसको inherit करेंगे अपनी child class में तो वो method उसको override compulsory हो जाएगा, otherwise वो error show करेगा. Flexibility. Abstract class can contain both abstract method without implementation and non-abstract method with implementation. So that I have already mentioned you, like we can have abstract class with defined method also and with non-defined method. Okay, so next is drawback of abstract class. Single inheritance limitation. In C Sharp, a class can only inherit from one abstract class, which can limit flexibility compared to interface that support multiple interfaces. Multiple inheritance. Tight coupling. Abstract class can introduce tight coupling between related classes, making it harder to modify or extend the system without affecting other parts. Okay, cannot instantiate. So as I mentioned ना, like abstract class का हम object create नहीं कर सकते हैं. So which means you can only create reference to them, not objects. Complexity. Using abstract class can add complexity to the class hierarchy, especially in large system where multiple levels of inheritance are involved. So yeah, that will complex the system. यूज केसेस. सो लाइक कहाँ पे हम ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्लास का कंसेप्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लाइक डिफाइनिंग अ टेम्पलेट when you want to provide a common template for a group of related classes, for example like शेप क्लास का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हम। तो शेप क्लास हमारी एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्लास हो जाएगी जिसमें हमारा कैलकुलेट एरिया और कैलकुलेट प्रीमियर दो मेथड लगा लो, और वो हमें ड्राइव क्लास में ही डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा। तो ड्राइव क्लास हमारी लाइक सर्कल एंड रेक्टेंगल हो सकती है। ओके, partial implementation. So when you need to provide some common functionality but leave the rest to be implemented by derived class, so an abstract class animal might implemented a method 8, so हमने एग्जाम्पल में देखा। ओके, but leave makes sound as abstract और सब क्लास लाइक डॉग और कैट to implement। so ठीक है, so लाइक हमने एक मेथड वहाँ पे बना दिया जो ईट के लिए, और बाकी के मेथड हमने छोड़ दिए हैं डॉग और कैट को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए जो हमारी चाइल्ड क्लास है। ठीक है, enforcing a contract when you want to ensure that certain method are implemented by all subclasses. This is useful in scenario where you have a base class that define a set of operations that all derived must class must follow. Okay, shared code when you have common code that should be shared among multiple derived classes. For example, like abstract class vehicle might have a method start engine that is common to all vehicle, while specific type of vehicle like car and bike will implement their own unique method. So जैसे स्टार्ट इंजन हमारी एक बेस क्लास हो जाएगी, हमारी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट क्लास हो जाएगी जो कि सब व्हीकल पे एप्लीकेबल है, बट जो हमारे व्हीकल हैं लाइक कार एंड बाइक उनमें डिफरेंट मेथड्स हैं स्टार्ट इंजन करने के। ओके, तो वो हमारी चाइल्ड क्लास होंगी जहाँ पे वो अपनी अपनी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देंगे। प्रिवेंटिंग इंस्टेंटेनियस, so when you want to prevent the creation of object from a base class, abstract class cannot be इंस्टेंट डायरेक्टली। जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि इसका ऑब्जेक्ट हम क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो वही चीज़ यहाँ मेंशन की हुई है। सो इंश्योरिंग दैट ओनली ड्राइव्ड क्लास कैन बी यूज टू क्रिएट ऑब्जेक्ट्स। So real life example like banking system. So abstract class can be our bank account and our child class can be like saving account and current account. Okay, so like bank account class can define common properties like account number and account holder, and abstract method like deposit and withdraw, and then saving account and current account class will implement this method according to their specific rule. Okay, so like current account का कुछ और कैलकुलेशन होगी, सेविंग अकाउंट की कुछ और कैलकुलेशन होगी, तो वो चीज़ वो अपनी अपने पास डिफाइन करेंगे, ना कि हमारी पेरेंट क्लास में जो कि हमारी बैंक अकाउंट है। ओके, same thing we can see here employee management. So we have like child class like full time employee, part time employee and concurrent contract employee. Okay, same thing applicable. So we can define some common property like name and employee ID, and abstract method like calculate salary. So each type class will implement the calculate salary method based on the type of employment. Same, one more example, sheep management, you can read it. Same thing I have mentioned here. This is just to like uh, give you some idea like where we can use this concept of abstract class. This is example animal that we used in our demo. Okay, this is another example for vehicle management. So yeah, that's all from this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question concern, please comment me, I will revert you. Thanks, bye.